Welcome back to What's So Wonderful. Today we are diving into a topic that hits close to home for so many of us failure. We all face setbacks and mistakes, and while society often sees failure as something negative, it's one of our most powerful tools for growth and success. Stick around as we uncover why embracing failure is essential and how can you start viewing it as your stepping stone to success. Let's face it, failure is inevitable. Failure is part of the journey, regardless of who you are, where you come from, or what you want to achieve. Did you know that around 90% of startups fail, or that some of the most successful people in the world face rejection after rejection? It's a universal experience, and it's essential to understand that failing is not the end. In fact, it's just the beginning of learning. Let's look at some incredible stories of resilience. Take Oprah Winfrey, for example. She faced intense hardships and personal struggles and was even told she was unfit for television. Or consider Thomas Edison. He made thousands of failed attempts before inventing the light bulb. These examples teach us that failure is often a hidden success in disguise. They kept going because they saw failure as feedbacks, not as a final destination. There is actual science behind why failure is valuable for our growth. Studies show that when we make mistakes, our brain works harder to learn, adjust, and find new solutions. Each failure revives our brain, making us better equipped handle challenges in the future. The pain of failure can motivate us, activating the areas in our brain responsible for analysis, problem solving, and resilience. So, how do we start embracing failure? Here are some actionable tips. Instead of seeing it as a setback, think of failure as a lesson. Ask yourself, why can I learn from this? What can I learn from this? Set realistic expectations. Success rarely happens overnight. Setting realistic expectations can help you prepare for the ups and downs. Develop a growth mindset. Embrace challenges and view them as opportunities to grow. Believe that your abilities can improve over time. Practice resilience. When things don't go as planned, take a step back, reflect, and then try again. Resilience is built over time, one small victory at a time. After a setback, it's normal to feel disappointed. But here are some practical steps to get back on track. Reflect on what happened. Journal or meditate on the experience. This helps you process emotions and understand the root cause. Set small goals after a failure. Reset with smaller, achievable goals to rebuild confidence. Seek feedback. Constructive feedback can provide insights and make your next attempt stronger. Remember, each attempt, even if it does not go as planned, brings you closer to your goal. It's not just celebration, it's not just celebrities or inventors who benefit from embracing failures. People like you and me, students, entrepreneurs, artists, are out there taking risks, failing, learning, and ultimately finding their path to success. This goal to show that embracing failure is for everyone. Failure is not something to avoid or fear. It's an opportunity to grow, to build resilience, and to come back even stronger. Remember, every setback is a setup for a feat. Remember, every setback is a setup for comeback. So don't fear failure. Embrace it, learn from it, and let it guide you on your journey to success. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.